Rabana Afrika Lena Sabran, Watabita Damana, Wansuna Alalgami Kafilin. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Kande, I know that what your supporters are saying are things that their subconscious mind manifested to them. There is no way you tell them that we need to give you this party because of the records of your late father. There is no way you tell them that we need to make you our next flag bearer simply because you work for the United Nations or you know Ban Ki-moon. There's no way you tell them that. Now, I want you to tell us why the SLPP should elect you as our next flag bearer. What have you done for this party? How many people have you recruited? How much funds have you raised for this party? Show us a reason why we should hand over the flag of this party to you at this time.
Good question, Al-Bazai. As you heard, I didn't talk about my father. As you heard, I didn't talk about the United Nations. But it matters. Yes, my tradition is in this party. I live in this party. My family and I suffered for this party. So that's relevant too. The history matters. Some people don't want to talk about the history. There were times when we did not have school fees because our parents were locked up in Mafanta, Parema Road 7 times, and we were home. So I suffered as a primary school and secondary school student for this party. So yes, the history matters. Of course, why do we talk sometimes about my UN career? It is simple. When you want a job, they ask about your track record. What have you done? You cannot wipe away 30 years of a man who is 56 years old.
No.
You must ask.
Yes.
At 56, you want to lead my party. You want to be president. What have you done? And so show us evidence that in fact you can manage at a high level. Show us evidence that you can lead globally or locally. Show us evidence that you know what development and transformation means. So of course, my UN experience, my American experience matters here. And this is what I ask of all candidates. When they stand in front of you, ask them, what have you done for yourself professionally? What have you done for your school? What have you done for your community and for the country and also for the party? So it's not just a party. Somebody can be in this party 50 years, but they haven't done diddly to show that they can lead or develop their community. They don't have diddly to show that they help somebody else just because they were in the party. So for me, yes, it's a package. You are now in election season in America. Everything matters, my brother. Not just because you are a Democrat. No, or a Republican. In addition to that, what have you done? Not only for the party, and the values. Somebody can be in our party and he's a dictator. Somebody can be in our party for umpteen years, but he's abusive. So because he's been there, that qualifies him immediately. I needed to give you that context. Because I hear that refrain from people. Oh, because you don't work at the UN. Of course it matters, my brother. When there was total destruction in our country, civil war, where did we go? United Nations. When Ebola devastated us last year, where did we go? So my brother, it is relevant. What have I done for the party? A lot. I channeled my resources through my family members. My mother hosted many meetings at Juba. I financed them. You can check with Dr. Elaine Bo, Padembi and others. They will tell you what some of us don't stand in the rooftop and start dancing, but what we do. Sometimes mature politics means you want the result, not the fame. Yeah. Let me give you another example. Donald Roberts, stand up. Where's Fodinabo? The last convention. Did I not pay for 4 or 5 of you to go? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Have a seat. In addition, I fed people in Go for that convention. There are things we do. We don't stand on the parapet to dance about them. Yeah? Yes. I can give you more. I just give you a snippet. This is evidence. How many of you? Just check how much the tickets are from North America, right? How much are the tickets? Did somebody not come from Canada? Yes. Thank you. Right to that convention. And people are still the things we've done. So when people start showing off of the little things they've done yesterday morning, people even want us to believe that the history of the party started in 2005. 2005. Because at that time they register. Hello. Way before that, they say for 2 line. That's the line in Freetown. All man for 2 line. I say, well, whose side the line begin? 1951 or 2005? Or 2005. So some of us were there before some people were born. We suffered. We didn't have school fees. They locked our parents up. We were there. Our mother suffered too. They put my mother in the court for 7 hours in kitchen. Other times they took them to CID to sit there 3 days. What are they wrong we are? Now we care food. So when people ask, what have you done? I say, no, go by history, then we talk current. So I can give you a long list and I can give you more testimony. But it just was 2 simple ones here. Yeah? But yes, I sponsored people. And that's what I used to do. And people say, oh, if you be in US, if you don't talk to the public. No! I think I'm the first Saloma where they elect for being Director General. Elected president. Some people don't have the right reference. The man when are just ordinary staff, not to be same as an elected head of agency, as a senior under Secretary General. I'm different. So I know we want a public. Go begin talk about the party affiliations. I cannot. Almost Saloma and no elected opposition. I was elected, my brother. And you should see my oath of office. My oath of office, I take instructions from no government. Not even the United States government when I put my hand up as Director General. Twice elected. So my brother, I can go on. So why should I leave? I believe I have the best experience of the team. I have done development. Industrialization, energy, small and medium enterprises, agriculture, real transformative projects in around the world. Second, my brother, today not to just fix small. You need people who are exposed a little bit. You should go to Côte d'Ivoire. 4 years of water and let you go see. The man is exposed. The international community is coming there. I passed through there coming here. Last June we inaugurated 400 megawatts for him. Now the international community is coming in to do 500 and 700 megawatts. International relations this today. We talk about economic diplomacy. I will bring a lot of help to Sierra Leone. There are many friends around the world who say, well, you know what you've done, but then you tell them. If you become president, we'll go there and help you. Number 3, it has to be peace in Iran. You need credibility and somebody who will bring as many observers here. If not already, take the election away. So the focus has to be, do we want to win in a team? Do we want to win in a team?
Yes.
Anyway, we could have that debate for a while, but I just tell you, I am sure I'm the best among the world.